Did you know that you can start affiliate marketing without spending a fortune? Stick around, and we'll show you how to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey on a budget, with tips and resources specifically tailored for beginners. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on affiliate marketing on a budget, strategies for newbies. Starting an affiliate marketing business doesn't have to drain your wallet. With the right strategies, tools, and a bit of creativity, you can embark on a successful affiliate marketing journey without breaking the bank. Affiliate marketing on a budget, strategies for newbies. This is part 14 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we'll walk you through budget-friendly tips and resources that will help you get started and thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. Many beginners believe that starting an affiliate marketing business requires a significant financial investment. This misconception often prevents people from even trying. The truth is, while having a budget can certainly help, there are numerous ways to launch and grow your affiliate marketing business with minimal financial outlay. From free tools to cost-effective strategies, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started on a budget. 1. Understanding affiliate marketing basics. Background. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your referral. The key players in this business model are the merchant, seller, the affiliate, marketer, and the consumer. Key points. Merchant, the company that sells the product or service. Affiliate, the marketer who promotes the merchant's product in exchange for a commission. Consumer, the end user who purchases the product or service through the affiliate's referral link. Strategy. Start by understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Knowing how it works and what roles each player performs is crucial before diving into more advanced strategies. Example: a blogger who writes about health and wellness may promote fitness products on their blog. When readers purchase these products through the blogger's affiliate links, the blogger earns a commission. 2. Choosing the right niche. Background. Choosing a niche is one of the most critical steps in affiliate marketing. Your niche should align with your interests and have a sizable audience willing to spend money. Key points. Interest and passion. Choose a niche you are passionate about. It will make content creation more enjoyable and sustainable. Market demand. Ensure there is a demand for products in your chosen niche. Competition analysis. Evaluate the competition. High competition can be challenging, but it also indicates a profitable niche. Strategy. Conduct thorough research to identify a niche that balances your interests, market demand, and manageable competition. Tools like Google Trends and keyword research can help assess market demand. Example: if you are passionate about sustainable living, you could choose a niche focusing on eco-friendly products, such as reusable household items or organic skincare. 3. Finding budget-friendly affiliate programs. Background. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer higher commissions, better support, and more marketing materials than others. It's essential to find programs that suit your budget and marketing style. Key points. Commission rates. Look for programs with competitive commission rates. Cookie duration. Programs with longer cookie durations give you a better chance of earning a commission. Support and resources. Choose programs that offer good support and marketing materials. Strategy. Research and join affiliate programs that are free to join and offer high commissions. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are excellent starting points. Example: Amazon Associates offers a vast range of products and a straightforward commission structure, making it an excellent choice for beginners. 4. Creating a budget-friendly website or blog. Background. Having your own platform, such as a website or blog, is crucial for affiliate marketing. While creating a website might seem expensive, there are budget-friendly ways to set one up. Key points. Domain name. Choose an affordable domain name that reflects your niche. Hosting. Use budget-friendly hosting services that offer reliable performance. Website builders. Use free or low-cost website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Weebly. Strategy. Opt for affordable domain registration and hosting services. WordPress offers a free version that is ideal for beginners. As your business grows, you can upgrade to paid plans. Example: Using WordPress with a free theme and affordable hosting from providers like Bluehost or SiteGround can help you set up a professional-looking website on a budget. 5. Leveraging free and low-cost tools. Background. There are numerous free and low-cost tools available that can help you manage and grow your affiliate marketing business effectively. Key tools. Content creation. Tools like Canva for graphic design, Grammarly for writing assistance, and Unsplash for free stock photos. SEO and analytics. Google Analytics for tracking website performance, Ubersuggest for keyword research, and Mozbar for SEO insights. Email marketing. MailChimp offers free email marketing services for up to 2,000 subscribers. Strategy. Incorporate these free and low-cost tools into your daily operations to enhance your content creation, SEO efforts, and email marketing campaigns without spending a lot of money. Example. Using Canva, you can create professional quality graphics for your blog posts and social media channels without the need for expensive design software. 6. Producing high-quality content. Background. Content is king in affiliate marketing. High-quality content attracts and engages your audience, builds trust, and encourages them to click on your affiliate links. Key points. Blog posts. Write informative and engaging blog posts that provide value to your readers. Reviews and tutorials. Create detailed product reviews and how-to guides. Videos. Utilize free video platforms like YouTube to create engaging video content. Strategy. Focus on creating high-quality content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Use free or inexpensive tools to enhance your content. Example. A blog post that provides a comprehensive guide on how to use a particular fitness app, complete with screenshots and personal experiences, can be highly engaging and valuable. 7. Utilizing social media platforms. Background. Social media platforms are excellent for promoting your affiliate products and driving traffic to your website. The best part is, most social media marketing is free. Key platforms. Facebook. Join relevant groups and share your content. Instagram. Use visual content and stories to engage your audience. Twitter. Share updates and engage in conversations related to your niche. Pinterest. Create and share pins that link back to your content. Strategy. Leverage social media to build your brand, share your content, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Engage with your audience regularly to build a loyal following. Example. Creating a Pinterest board filled with attractive pins that link back to your blog posts can drive significant traffic and increase your affiliate sales. 8. Email marketing on a budget. Background. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to engage with your audience and promote your affiliate products. The good news is, you can start email marketing with minimal costs. Key points. Building a list. Use free tools and lead magnets to build your email list. Engaging content. Send regular newsletters with valuable content and product recommendations. Automation. Use free or low-cost email marketing services to automate your campaigns. Strategy. Start by offering a free resource, lead magnet, to attract subscribers. Use a free email marketing service like MailChimp to manage your campaigns and engage with your audience. Example. Offering a free ebook or a checklist related to your niche in exchange for email signups can help you quickly build a list of engaged subscribers. 9. Leveraging free traffic sources. Background. Driving traffic to your website is crucial for affiliate marketing success. While paid advertising can be effective, there are numerous free traffic sources you can leverage. Key sources. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other blogs in your niche to reach a broader audience. Forums and communities. Participate in forums and online communities related to your niche. Strategy. Focus on optimizing your content for SEO and actively engage in online communities and forums to drive free traffic to your website. Example. Writing a guest post for a popular blog in your niche can introduce your content to a new audience and drive significant traffic to your site. 10. Networking and collaborations. Background. Networking with other affiliate marketers and collaborating on projects can provide valuable insights and open up new opportunities. Key points. Online communities. Join online communities and forums for affiliate marketers. Collaborations. Partner with other bloggers or influencers in your niche for joint projects. Mentorship. Seek mentorship from experienced affiliate marketers. Strategy. Engage in networking and collaboration opportunities to learn from others, share resources, and expand your reach. Example: collaborating with another blogger for a joint webinar or podcast can expose both of your audiences to new content and affiliate products. The most impactful takeaway from this guide is that starting an affiliate marketing business on a budget is entirely feasible with the right strategies and resources. By understanding the basics, choosing the right niche, leveraging free tools and platforms, and creating high-quality content, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business without a significant financial investment. To summarize, starting an affiliate marketing business on a budget involves understanding the basics of affiliate marketing, choosing a profitable niche, finding budget-friendly affiliate programs, creating a cost-effective website, leveraging free tools, producing high-quality content, utilizing social media, engaging in email marketing, driving free traffic, and networking with other marketers. By following these steps and implementing the strategies discussed, you can kickstart your affiliate marketing journey and achieve success without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on affiliate marketing. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let us know which budget-friendly tactics you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!